Now we are continuing the same problem. Cash account. So we said if it is an opening entry, first you have to look whether it is asset or liability. Whether it is asset or liability. Then if it is asset, that will be debit balance. Asset will be debit balance. So debit side you have to write the balance amount. Okay, debit side we have to write the balance amount. Okay, so opening balance we wrote. Next, so opening balance we wrote. Next we have to write all the cash transaction. So you tell next one, second entry, any cash transaction is there, Femina? Any cash transaction, second date, look at the journal, 3rd January, any cash? No. Next, 4th January. What is January, Femina? 4th one. 4th date.
Sir, cash account debit to.
Yes, cash account to sales. So in cash account, where I have to write cash account debit. So debit side.
Debit side 10,000.
Okay, cash account debits. It is 1st January 2015. So 4th for 115 to sales account. To sales account. Amount will be 15,000. Amount will be 15,000. Okay. So next.
Sir, 10,000, right?
1 minute. Yes. 10,000 sold goods to. Okay. 10,000. Correct. 10,000. Okay. Next. Next entry. What is next entry? Anila. Next entry.
Cash account debtor to Karuna account debtor. Sorry, Karuna account.
Which one?
14th Jan.
Date.
14th January.
Cash received from Karuna. Is it correct? So 14th. So what we have to write?
Cash account debtor to Karuna account. Cash
So yes.
Debit.
Yes. Debit side.
13,000.
Yes. To Karuna account. Okay. So 14th. 14th to Karuna account. To Karuna account. Amount will be 13,000. Amount will be 13,000. So Karthik, next transaction.
Sir, 16th one. Cash
16th
account
one.
to
So where I have to write?
debit side to Hina account.
Yes. Debit side to Hina account.
3,000.
Amount?
3,000.
Okay, 3,000. Next, Aparna, next cash transaction.
20.
20.
That is cash account debtor to Tarun account.
So where? What I write?
Yeah. It's a debit side to Tarun account.
To Tarun account. Amount?
So 1,000.
Cash received from 10,000, no? 10,000.
10,000.
Yes. Next, Anach. Next one. After 20.
Second, cash account debit to Hina account.
Okay. So in cash account, which side?
Debit side.
Debit side 22 to Hina account. Amount 2000. Amount 2000. So 22 over next 22 over next Anjo, next transaction
25.
25. Where I have
Wallet.
it?
Credit side.
Okay, 25 115 by
By
Rupali. Yes, by Rupali. Amount is 18,000. 18,000. By Rupali account 18,000. Next, after 25, next Tomlin, next one, after 25.
Sir, 26.
26,
By cartage account.
correct. 26 by cartage account. By cartage account. Amount 1,000. Amount 1,000. Next, Aditya Satyan. After 26.
Yes, by salary.
Yes, by salary
27.
27.
Account.
So 27 by salary account. By salary account. Amount 8,000. Next, after 27, after 27, Shubham.
Yes, sir.
After 27, next cash transaction. Cash sales, where it will come?
Sir, I don't have book.
Eh? What?
I don't have book.
Atul,
Sir, 28
28.
to sales account debit side.
Okay, yes. To sales account. To sales account. $7,000. Next. Hanna, next, after 28.
31.
31.
To cash account. So by general expenses.
Okay, by general expenses. By general expenses. By general expense 500. Okay, so all the cash transactions are over. So now we have to balance. So debit side will be more. Normally cash balance will be, cash account will be debit balance
51,000.
51,000. Then balance amount From that, you have to minus credit side item. Closing date by balance CD. Amount will be
23,500.
27,500.
so 51,000 minus
27,000 by 900.
any other
27,500.
27,500. That is a credit side total. $27,500. Difference amount.
23,500.
Which one?
23,500.
Yes, 23,500.
23,500.
Okay. So cash account is over. Okay. So debit side is more. That total you have to write in both side. So from that you have to minus credit side. That will be the closing balance. Next. Next, which account we have to prepare? Cash in hand over. Next opening entry. Next one. After cash in hand, Aparna, next one.
Sir, cash
Sir,
is done.
Cash in
sir,
bank.
shouldn't we write by to balance BD?
Yes, to balance BD, opening balance. Okay. Now we have to write only closing balance. Okay. Closing balance. Next, cash at bank we have to write. Next account, cash at bank. So if you are writing opening balance, then it will be debit side. Debit side will be 2015 to balance BD. Okay. To balance BD 23,500. Okay. So if you write opening balance, last year closing balance, last month closing balance will be the new month opening balance. So next, cash at bank. Cash at bank. Cash at bank. So cash at bank is whether it is asset or liability. Anila, cash at bank,
Asset.
asset. So opening balance will be which side? Opening balance. We have to write the balance. Same like a cash in hand. So here also we have to write, because here opening entry is there. So where we have to write opening balance? Debit or credit? Yes.
Debit.
Okay. It is asset. So debit balance will be debit side. So 1/1/2015 to balance BD. To balance BD 55,000. 55,000. 55,000. $55,000. Now, so check the banking entries. So first transaction, Anat, related to bank. Date and transaction. Anat.
Rohan account to bank account.
Yes, Rohan account to bank account. So, Rohan account to bank account. Which side I have to write? Rohan account to bank account. Anat. Rohan account to bank account. So which side?
Debit side.
What is journal entry?
Credit. Rohan account to bank account.
Okay, so bank is credit. So what I tried 15, 15 by
Rohan account.
yes, by Rohan account. By Rohan account. Amount is check given to Rohan. 6,000. 6,000. Check given to Rohan. Next, Hanna, next transaction related to bank. Related to bank.
$29.
Yes, 29.
Bhubali account added to bank account.
So, yes, correct. So, where I have tried?
The credit side.
Yes, credit side 29, 115 by Rubali account. By Rubali account 12,000. 12,000. Then, Femina, any other transaction related to bank? Any? After 29?
No, sir.
Okay. So then we will balance Rubali account. So which side is more? Debit side is more? 55,000. So that total you have to write in both side. It will be, balance will be 31.
37,000.
30.
37,000.
So you have to write by balance CD 37,000. Okay. So that will be the opening balance of next month. 1 to 15 to balance BD. Okay. So bank account is over. So next, which account? Karthik, next account? Cash in hand, cash in bank, next one?
Goods account.
Yes. Okay, goods, only one entry. Goods account. Goods account. Goods account. Aparna,
Yes,
goods
sir.
account. Opening balance.
Debit
So
side.
yes, debit side 1 to balance BD amount. Amount will be 40,000. Amount is 40,000. Amount is 40,000. Any other goods? No goods. So we have to balance. Only one side is more. That will be the total. That amount will be the balance. By balance CD 40,000. Next last month closing balance will be next month opening balance to balance BD. Okay. Next, Anjo, next account after goods.
Tarun account.
Is Tarun account. Tarun account. So Tarun is asset or liability? Anjo.
Liability.
Tarun account. Asset debit, liability credit. Tarun is asset or liability? So already I said if it is opening entry, if it is asset debit, if it is liability credit. So Tarun is asset or liability? Anjo? Asset or liability? Anjo?
Asset.
Asset. So first we have to write opening balance. So which side I have to write?
Debit.
Yes, debit side 1/1/2015 to balance BD. To balance BD, we are preparing Tarun account 10,000. Amount is 10,000. 10,000. To balance BD 10,000. Next, so you tell the transaction related to Tarun. Hanna, transaction related to Tarun. Yes, 20.
Account added to Tarun account.
Yes, cash account to Tarun account. So in Tarun account where I have to write?
Credit side.
Yes, credit side 2115. What I have to write?
By cash account.
Yes, by cash account. Amount will be 10,000. Amount 10,000. Okay, cash received from Tarun 10,000. Next, Femina. After 20, any transaction related to Tarun? Any transaction?
Sir, no more
No.
transaction.
No transaction. So,
Sir, one doubt.
yes, ask.
Cash account that to Tarun account.
Cash account to Tarun account.
Sir, it should be debit side.
1 minute. Which account we are preparing?
Sir, 20 Tarun account.
So now we are preparing Tarun account. So in that journal, whether Tarun account is debit or credit?
Sir, debit.
Cash account to Tarun. So first we have to look at which account we are preparing. Now we are preparing Tarun account. Then you check the journal entry whether Tarun account is debit or credit. If it is credit, credit side you write opposite aspect. If it is debit, debit side you write opposite aspect. Clear? So here cash account to Tarun. So Tarun is credit. So credit side you write by cash. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, so no other transaction. So we will balance. Both sides are equal. 10,000. 10,000. Okay. So whenever we are preparing any account, only you look that account. Debit or credit? If it is debit, debit side you write opposite aspect. If it is credit, credit side you write opposite aspect. Next one, next account. Atul, next account after Tarun. Rohan account. Okay. Next, Rohan account. Rohan account. So, whether Rohan is asset or liability, Anat, Rohan, in that entry, liability. So, opening balance will be which side? If it is liability,
Side.
yes, correct. By balance, BD. So, 1/1/2015 by balance, BD. It is a Rohan account, so balance will be 6,000. 6,000 by balance PD 6,000. Okay, so now you have to check the transaction related to Rohan. Related to Rohan. Anila, tell the transaction related to Rohan, date and the transaction.
15%.
Yes, 15.
Rohan account debit to bank account.
Yes, Rohan account to bank account. So in Rohan account, which side?
Debit side.
Yes, debit side. What I write?
To bank account.
Correct. To bank account. To bank account. Okay. Amount will be 6,000. No. Okay. Next, any other transaction related to Rohan? After that, Aditya, any transaction related to Rohan?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So over. So then we will balance. So both side equal. 6,000. 6,000. Okay. So Rohan account is over. It is liability. So opening balance credit side. Then one transaction is there that we wrote. Then two side equal. So no balance. Next. Next, Karthik, next account.
Sir, Sanjana's capital.
Yes, Sanjana's capital account. So we have to write Sanjana's capital account. Sanjana's capital account. Sanjana's capital account. So what we have to write Sanjana's capital account. So amount will be Sanjana's capital amount.
Sir, 1,05,000.
1,05,000. So what we have to write by opening entry. This one last we will do because no last we will do that this one Sanjana's capital because more debit and credit is there that we will do. Next we will do. So you prepare the column. Only one item is there that I will show that. Next one, sales account. Next, Karuna account. Karuna, is it correct? Karuna account, sales account. So next we will do that Karuna account. Karuna. Okay, capital we will do that because after this I will explain it because first one easy we will do, then the last. Karuna account. What is a Karuna account transaction? You tell. Aparna, first transaction.
Sir, Karuna account debted to sales account.
Yes, date.
3/1/2005.
So 3/1/2015 to sales account. To sales account, amount will be 15,000. Amount will be 15,000. Next, Anuj, any Karuna transaction?
Sir, sales return account added to Karuna account.
So which side I have tried? Credit side,
Sales return account.
yes, by sales return. Amount will be 2,000. Amount will be 2,000. Next, Aditya, any transaction?
Yes, sir. 40.
14. So where I have tried?
Credit side.
Yes, credit side. By cash. Yes, by cash account 13,000. Next, Anila, next one. Related to Karuna. Any other transaction?
No, sir.
No. Check receipt from Karuna. Okay, not there. Okay, then we will balance both side equal. 15,000, 15,000. Okay, so next, sales account. Sales account. Sales account. First one, date will be Karthik, sales account date first.
Sir, 3.
Yes, 3. So which side I have tried?
Credit side by current account.
Yes, credit side by current account. By current account, 15,000. Next, Anjo.
For
Yes,
cash,
for
cash
yes, by
account.
cash. Okay, for by cash account. By cash account, 10,000. Next, Atul. Next one.
Sir, 6.
Yes, 6. So what I have to write?
Sir, in account debit to sales account.
Yes. So in sales account, which side?
Sir,
Tell.
sir, debit side.
So you look that in that entry. Now we are preparing sales account. Now we are preparing sales account. So sale is debit or credit? In that entry. Eh?
Sir, credit.
So credit side, what I had write? Opposite aspect. What?
Sir, by in account.
Yes, by his account. Okay. Now you understood, Atul?
Yes, sir.
So 5,000. Goods sold to Hina. Next, Aditya. Any sale? Aditya. Any sale?
Sir, 28.
Yes, 28. By cash account. by cash account amount 7,000. By cash account 7,000. So any other sale? Any other sale? Karthik?
No, sir.
Okay, so we will balance. To balance CD. To balance CD. 37,000. Okay, so next period we will continue this. Then after completing, we will start the new chapter. Okay, thank you.